for uncoiling coiled metal strips or coils. Its hydraulic system allows it to unwind metal coils with a degree of precision that traditional methods simply cannot match. It is equipped with features like adjustable speed controls, tension control systems, and safety mechanisms, making it a versatile and indispensable tool in various industries. At the core of the metal hydraulic decoiler machine lies its hydraulic system, which facilitates smooth and controlled uncoiling. This system uses pressurized hydraulic fluid to power the decoiling process, allowing for both precision and power. The ability to regulate the uncoiling speed is a crucial feature, especially when dealing with different types of metals. This adjustment ensures that the machine can handle a wide range of materials, from delicate alloys to heavy steel coils.